So next, let's go ahead and install an RDP agent on a separate machine. So I'm logged into a separate RDP machine right now. I'm going to log into the management portal first. From the management portal, I can create an RDP agent object, which is what we're going to start with. So let's go to the RDP agents tab, and inside of the RDP agents tab right here, we're going to create a new RDP agent. So I'll provide a friendly name for this. Oftentimes I'd recommend using the name of the machine or a contextual name that identifies the machine and helps you understand that RDP agent is tied to that machine specifically. Now once we have our RDP agent object created inside of the management portal, we can go over to our downloads page over here and find our green card for the RDP agent and click the download button. As soon as the download is finished for the RDP agent, we can go ahead and open our downloads folder, and we'll open that installer for the RDP agent. Now we'll move through the prompts and accept all of the license agreements and everything. And then last we'll finally get to the install button. Now after the installation finishes for the RDP agent, a command prompt will pop up that will ask us again for our agent config code. We're used to this process already. We'll go back to our RDP agents tab. We'll click that code and info button listed under the code and info column, and then we'll hit the copy button next to the activation code right there. Come back to our command prompt, paste that back in, and hit enter. From here, the agent will finish configuring itself and getting itself set up and its service started. And as soon as the service finishes starting up, then we'll go ahead and hit enter and complete the entire setup for the RDP agent. Now that we have our agent set up and all of our other pre-configuration done, we're ready to start adding some applications and really using our Xiid software in real situations.